Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add alerts or notifications for different streaming apps, YouTube, or different sorts of services like that. For this example, we're going to go ahead and use Twitch. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over into your browser, go to your Twitch homepage or to your channel, go to your creator dashboard, and then from there, go to your stream manager. Now, there's a couple different things that you want to get notifications for. For me, let's say it's my chat, right? So if I want to get the notification for my chat on my OBS, what I'm going to want to go ahead and do is head over to where I can find the URL for my chat, which in Twitch's case would be in the pop out. I could go ahead and do it like that. I copy that, and then I go ahead and minimize this, right? Now I'd go over into my OBS, open it up, go to plus, browser, and then add the link that I want to give me notifications. I'm sorry, not the link. Okay, you put it in here. I just named it the link as well. But as you see now, I have my chat all nice and pretty in my OBS. Or there's one other way that you can do that. You can set up alerts with Twitch as well. And this is what's going to give you the dinging sound, the notification, if you will, right? So you go to edit alerts. Let's say new follow. I would copy my browser source URL, head over into OBS, and do the same thing that I did before with the browser, right? Plus browser, okay, and then enter in the link like so. And then now, wherever I put this at, if I send a test alert, as you see, now I have notifications popping up on my OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.